Changing a light bulb in your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan is a simple task, but doing it safely and correctly is essential to avoid injury or damage. Before starting, always turn off power at the circuit breaker, not just the wall switch. This is the most important safety step. Use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm there's no electricity flowing to the fan. Only proceed once it shows zero voltage. Next, allow the bulb to cool for 10 to 15 minutes to prevent burns or breakage. Identify the correct replacement bulb by checking the old bulb or your fan's manual. Pay close attention to wattage, base type, brightness, lumens, color temperature, and whether it's LED or incandescent. To replace the bulb, carefully remove the glass dome or cover. Most twist counterclockwise, while some use screws. Always support the glass with both hands. Unscrew the old bulb, install the new one snugly without over-tightening, and reattach the cover. If your fan uses an integrated LED light, the entire light kit must be replaced, including reconnecting the wires correctly. Restore power at the breaker, and test the light to confirm everything works properly.